Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a quick craft haul and demo. So let's start with Elizabeth Craft Designs. This is my first time ordering from this company, and the reason that I put in my order is because I saw these planner essential dies on Poet Spice's YouTube channel, and I am a planner girl, so I ordered these. This is the A5, so it will fit right nicely inside of my Louis Vuitton planner, so can't wait to work with that. And then I always use sentiment dies, so I got congratulations, miss you, welcome, thank you, blessings, and prayers. And then last but not least, I ordered the rose pocket die. So this one you slip the card or invitation down in the inside, so that'll be exciting to work with. And then this was a freebie. These are some snowflake stickers. Then I got some Spellbinders dies. So I love these nesting dies because you can pretty much make your whole card with just one of these and then add a sentiment or put the sentiment on the inside. So radiant rectangles, romantic rose, and then this one is a border die, Victoria corners. Then this is something that I've been looking for a while, 5x7 matting basics. So this will help me do my matting and layering on a 5x7 card really quickly. Last but not least, from Tonic Studios, they had a paper, some kind of paper pack where you got all of these 6x6 paper pads for one price. I don't remember how much, but it was all in one kit. So this one is called Tropical Paradise, and it is metallic pink, pearlized green, metallic gold. Oh, and this one is like a palm tree type paper. So this one is 250 GSM. So some of them are cardstock, some of them are paper. This one is 85 pounds, mint blush. So this one is a textured. There's a different texture like a damask or jacquard. This is pretty. Quilted, a rose quilted. And then this one is like a mint green with floral. This one is called Woodland Walk, so 58 pounds. This one is going to be more just like regular paper. And then these are double-sided as well. So shades of green, yellow, brown. Autumn Maple Pearlized. This one is 92 pounds. So there is a gold pearlized, and these are double-sided. That's awesome. Copper, burgundy, and brown. So this is look really good in leaves. I got some leaf dies from Amazon, and you can also cut leaves with the Cricut. This one is 58 pounds, so this is just your regular paper as opposed to cardstock. And again, this one is double-sided as well. Purple, green. This would look good in the Crafter's Companion Ocean Breeze kit. Purple and a yellowish color. Tropical Paradise. So didn't I see something else? Tropical Paradise. Okay, so this is Tropical Paradise paper. Oh, this reminds me of the Year Craft paper. These are double-sided. Oh, the stripes are pretty. And geometric triangles. Merry and Bright double-sided paper. This one is 160 GSM. So there's polka dots and stripes in red, white, and green. Argyle and circles and gray on gray. Stars and chevron, stripes and dots. So it doesn't have any actual Christmas decorations, but it's that color scheme. So 24 sheets of each, double-sided. Now this one is called Foiled Craft Paper. So it is Silver Jubilee. So here, this one is like a copper foil. So they're one-sided. So here's where the craft paper comes in. So this is silver on like a brown. Then there is the hearts. And lastly, this one reminds me of one of the Crafter's Companions foil press dies. So there's that damask. So this is what I got in a recent craft haul. What I'd like to do is a quick demo using these Spellbinders dies, and then can maybe mix in some of the Tonic Studio paper. Okay, and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to use this Autumn Maple Pearlescent cardstock. And then I will use the Elizabeth Craft Designs Blessings and Prayers, one for each card. And then we'll go with the Spellbinders Radiant Rectangle. So I already have my card base set up in green. And then we will use these Autumn Maple colors as our layers. And then probably gold for our text. And then I have this other gold from Crafter's Companion in case I need another layer. Then over here, we will use Romantic Rose, and we'll go with purple. So I have my card already, the base already made up, and then I have several shades of purple and pearlized white to work with. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'll be cutting these using my Gemini MIDI, which is off camera. I just want to come over here and grab my Team Platinum Crafter's Companion apron, put that on before I get started. I'm so excited to have my apron. It's so cute, so much fun. I appreciate that from Crafter's Companion. And so I'm just going to work off camera on my Gemini MIDI, which is behind me, because when I use it on the table right here, it makes the table shake really, really badly. So we can see how our card has come together using just this Radiant Dies kit. So we haven't used all of the pieces that are here. We didn't use all of the circle dies. There's still another circle die, and then this cute embellishment. So if you turn it over, here's what it could look like. This is a rendition. They don't use all of the dies here either. So I will go ahead and just start gluing this down. But I don't know, I think that looks pretty good. The only thing that I maybe would do is use a decorative piece for the green, or either that or and emboss it. Light on the glue because it's metallic, and I just don't want it to overdo it. So here's the first card with items from our craft haul: Radiant Rectangles, the Spellbinders Nesting Dies. And again, I love these dies just because you can basically do a whole card with just that set of dies. And then I use the prayers from the Elizabeth Craft Designs sentiments. So that is the first one. Let's go into our second one. This one we're going to do in shades of purple, starting with our base layer, and we're going to be using the Spellbinders Romantic Rose. Okay, so I think this is how our second card is going to line up. I changed out for a lighter purple instead of the deeper purple. It just kind of flowed better with the light purple base. And then we have a matte light purple, pearlized white, and then our text blessing. And then some kind of way I'll maneuver down here at the bottom the purple flowers with the green leaves. We'll figure it out once we get everything layered up. So let's go ahead and start on that. Okay, and then there's our second card using the Spellbinders Radiant Rose, which I did not do a good job of putting these pieces back together. Just trying to make the video as quick as possible, but I do try to clean up my dies when I'm done. So we use the 2 Spellbinders Nesting Dies. And then we also use the Elizabeth Craft Designs sentiments. And then there we go. We have 2 cards. This is using Crafter's Companion paper. And then this one is using the Tonic Studios Autumn Maple paper. If you enjoy these videos, please go ahead, hit like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you can be notified when we make additional videos. Thanks again for joining my channel and watching today. Once again, this is just Crafty Chantel.